How to design flyers in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click the Create a Design button with the plus icon. In the search bar, type flyers. Canva will display different flyer size options. Choose the one that suits your needs. Once you select the flyer format, the Canva editor will open. On the left-hand panel, you can explore templates where Canva provides a wide variety of ready-made flyer designs for events, business promotions, sales, invitation, and more. Pick a template you like or start from a blank design if you prefer full customization. You can now edit the text, change font, adjust color, and add your own images, logos, or graphics. From the Elements, Photos, Text, and Icon section, you can add visual to make your flyer more attractive. You can also upload your own branding materials to personalize your design. Once you are done customizing, click Share to publish your flyer online or choose Download to save it as a PNG, JPG, or PDF for printing. Now you know how to design flyers in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.